Okay, so now we're going to do the, we're going to check his gut, his 4 quadrants. So I have my stethoscope with the things pointing forward, like so. And I have my hearing dilly bob. So I'm going to check in the upper right quadrant first. And what I'm listening for is at least 2 sounds per minute. Ooh, I heard that. That was a rumble. Okay, and then I'm going to come down here to his right lower quadrant. And that was a gurgle. Okay, now we'll go to the other side. You're being so good. And we will check his, well, I guess that was his left. So now I'm going on his right. All right, so his right upper quadrant up here. And another gurgle, and then his right lower quadrant. All right. No rumbles, all gurgles today. So I started on his left upper, his left lower, and then went to his right upper and right lower, and definitely heard our sounds in less than a minute. So sounds like he is definitely moving food along just fine.